going to understand the needs and requirements of a customer. Means basically market research. What does the market want? What are the requirements of the market from us? What can we provide quality through our product and services? So we should learn from others. For example, now think if you are selling a product, so the best thing to find review is Amazon, from where you can get review, because Amazon nowadays is very trending and people are using it very much. Okay, for example, you are going like if you want some uh, anything, like you can take an example of um, jewelry set. Okay, now here, okay, in the last video we had seen about that customer information. Now in gender, if you're thinking about making an ad, so here your gender would be female because it is a jewelry for female. So here your description for your customer should be female specially. So now if you go and see the reviews of people, what they have reviewed. Okay, see if you're going to this one set and checking it out. If you click here, yeah, now you'll get there are many people who have given just 1 star. 26% of people have given 1 star. So you can check here. Now all 1 star rating people will be seen to you. Okay, so here what he has written or she has written, cheap, broken necklace. So here your thing is cheap and broken necklace. So whenever you are selling, not only necklace, any product you are selling, you should give them in a very good way, that it is not broken or some scratches or anything. It should be in a perfect way that your customer loves it after seeing it. The product is not at all worth buying, means your product is, here they have seen it, they liked it, but when they actually buy it, it was not that good. So you can do it, you can learn over it, so that you can do the best you can give. Is you can give the best product, means actually it should be the way it is being seen. When they are buying it, the way they have seen it, it should be the same way in which after buying it they should get the same product. The shine, everything should be same. Now this, see, the stones of the product were loose, means it was not properly made. So you should give them in the perfect way. So you can now, you can take all these points. If any jewelry, any clothing you're giving, the best cloth, jewelry, the color should be very good, the color should be long lasting. So all these points you can note down in your solution set, and you can give the best way you can give. Now you can go to Quora, and if you are finding like fitness or anything etc, like any other course, so where you can get the good reviews of people, you will get solutions of these things. And again you will get the bad reviews, like you will get the problems, so you can learn from the problems. Like if you go for fitness for working people, then you will find out that people are not getting so much time, so you can reduce the time of your course. The video or the time of the video, you can reduce the time of the video, so that you can give best time. Means people can see like 10 minutes, people working people can, while traveling or anywhere, they can remove 10 minutes and can watch your video and can do it. So you should reduce the time. You'll get you got the problem, like there is no much of time, so you'll remove a solution from it. Like you will reduce the time of your video, your course, so that your customer are benefited from it. So these all things you can learn from your this all the shopping center. From others product and services, you can make your product and services the best from their reviews. The mistake that they have made, you can acquire, you can value, you can give a value to your own product and services by overcoming their reviews. Like their bad reviews, you can overcome it and can give it best. Okay. And if you are removing a hotel or anything, there is again an app where you can use this. So there are many of these sites where you can just get people's review to find out everything, like Quora, Udemy. If you are reviewing Amazon, Myntra, you'll get many reviews of people. So you should first, before creating any product or service, you should first understand the bad reviews, the good reviews. You should do a very good market research, so that you should give the best product and service to your customer, so that they are willing to buy it. So in this way, this is the need and requirement of a customer. So you can overcome it and give the best thing you can.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.